Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to use Vapra Green Mix Powder, an easy guide to transform your organic waste. This amazing powder acts as a composting accelerator, speeding up the natural process. It's packed with beneficial microbial culture, ensuring your organic matter breaks down efficiently. You can expect to create rich, odor-free compost in as little as 7 days, making your composting journey simple and rewarding. First, let's get your composting container ready. You'll need a bucket or drum. Any size you prefer will work well. The most crucial step is to drill many holes all around it. These holes are essential for aeration, allowing air to circulate freely. Good airflow prevents your compost from becoming too wet and ensures the beneficial microbes can thrive, leading to successful decomposition. Now, let's start the daily composting process. Begin by adding a complete pack of Vapra Green Mix Powder to your aerated container. Then, introduce your organic waste, like daily kitchen scraps, on top of the powder. It's important to mix the waste and powder thoroughly, using your hand or a gardening tool to ensure even distribution. Covering the waste completely helps prevent fruit flies and keeps your compost odor-free. To continue, simply repeat the layering of waste and powder, mixing it well each day. Remember to avoid adding items like meat, fruit juices, or too much water, as these can disrupt the process. The green mix powder is excellent at absorbing up to 60% of moisture, preventing any liquid drainage. By following these simple steps, you'll achieve beautiful, nutrient-rich, soil-like compost in about 7 days, perfect for your plants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.